We're taking our babies on their first bike ride. Let's see if I can get Landers. Landers! There's our little baby. Ty, say hi! Hi! Hi, little baby! Well, he had fun, but he played with his helmet the whole time. By the time I got back, he was making it crooked. It's tight on his face, but... There